Yo, what up? It's Coach RT3. I'm here in San Francisco, California, and today I'm going to give you a quick tip that you can use to enhance your steel mace swings. Now, it's very simple. We're going to exclude the launch or any sophisticated stuff like that. We want to start and finish at the same place. Usually I recommend around the belly button or between the belly button and the belt buckle for the hand position. Okay, so as you begin to swing the mace from that position, you should start and finish at the same spot or around the same spot each and every time. What that gives you an opportunity to do is pull the mace vertical. It also gives you an opportunity to slow and control the mace and go back the other direction. It gives you this chance to stabilize the shoulders before continuing and unload the biceps that have been in their shortened state as you swung. What I typically see happening with people who are new to mace swinging or haven't been taught correctly is they begin to inch up higher on the chest. What that typically does is as the hand position moves higher, we have a shorter distance in which the hands are traveling. If we have a shorter distance, that means there's going to be a shorter time. If there's a shorter time, that means the speed of the mace is going to increase. If the speed of the mace is increasing, it becomes increasingly difficult to control. So if we want to maintain control of our tool at all times, we want to maintain the distance and maintain that nice, large figure 8 from the belly button to the base of the skull and back. All right, hopefully that tip helps you out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a share, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for much more of this stuff. Also, click below to get a hold of my free ebook. Talk to you guys soon.